Welcome to another episode of XTool Studio Quick Tip. I hope you find this useful. There are a few things here that I'm not too happy with. One, I think her lips are naturally smaller, and these are, although cute, are not similar to her eagle eyes here. And then for a pendant, I want to erase this part. First, we want to turn this into a vector. So I'm just going to go here, edit, and then trace. Now, before we hit save, this is what it looks like, and try pushing on this. You see? It gets, now the fuzziness threshold, that means it picks up on more. And that way you've got the nose as well. Whereas where it was, and I've made this mistake before, I am seeing the nose because of the light lines, but I don't realize that actually it doesn't pick up on it. So I'm going to go like this, get as much as possible, and then I can erase and change some of the details I don't like. So then I save, and you see that those are the vectors, and now she has a mustache. Okay, I'm going to move this to the side, and then we can work on it. And I'm going to make this bigger. So we've got this, and you go on here and just double click on it. Now the vectors show up. How I'm expanding this is on the keypad on my laptop. I'm expanding and then pinching. A few things I want to do. The lips look weird. So all you have to do is hold up, press down on it, and move this. You can make this even bigger. And this is kind of wonky. And I can go this way. And if it's all wiggly, press on that and delete it, and smoothens out. Same thing here. This. So you can smoothen out like this and pull on that. And then now, this is what I like to do. If it's getting too weird, I just go like this, and then this one is useless, and it smoothens out like that. Actually, while I'm here, the thing about her eyes is pretty flat topped. And that one I'm going to delete. That is more her eyes. And I find that with faces, eyes are the most important thing. I think we want to reduce this and then delete. And then put that here. Delete those. So you can grab a whole bunch like here and then delete. Like that. So that's how you remove things in large. There we go. Now that is a little bit weird. There we go. I hope you found that useful. Stones and Findings is a wholesaler of premium quality chains and findings, as well as a huge selection of engraving blanks. I'm going to leave more information about our company in the description below.